Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara. For anyone who is new here, today's video is a little bit different from my usual videos because it's a lot shorter. I had a terrible migraine for 2 days this week and this was the second day and I started to feel a lot better, so I wanted to quickly clean the areas that really needed it and I wanted to take you along with me. And as you can see, I'm rocking my sweatpants and a really old t-shirt. I didn't want to change because I want to show you real life. So today I'm doing a 30-30 cleaning method. It's the same as power hour, but instead of 1 hour you try to clean what is really important in 30 minutes. And I did another 30-30 video some time ago and a lot of you really liked it, so I will link that video in my description down below as well. So in those 30 minutes I managed to tidy up the living room and fold a load of laundry and also hang another load, and I also cleaned our kitchen. Those two rooms always need the most attention and I really try to keep them clean. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Sara and I make motivational cleaning videos here on my channel. My videos are usually a lot longer because I always want to give you as much motivation as I can. If you enjoy cleaning and organization videos, this is a channel for you, so definitely consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. I'm also in the middle of my spring cleaning series. I already spring cleaned our master bedroom and laundry room, and I will also link those two videos in the description. And my new spring cleaning video will be up on Saturday, so don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss this video or any of my future uploads.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Now that I'm done in the living room, I'm moving down to the kitchen and I will start with my dining table. I'm picking up everything that is on it and putting it away so that I can wipe it down, and for that I'm going to be using my Thief Power and Shine all-purpose cleaner and wet cleaning cloth.
Making this too hard, and I wonder where you are.
Now I'm moving to the kitchen area and I will start by putting away the leftovers from dinner and putting away all the clean dishes so I can start washing the dirty ones before I move on to the rest of the kitchen.
Baby, you should take it slow. Reaching for stars. I wonder where you are. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this.
I also have an Instagram account and it's Sara's Corner 1. I also have it linked in the description below for easy access. On there I share some cleaning time-lapse clips and instant cleaning motivation or tap the clean pictures in my stories. I also post more live updates on there. If you're interested in more of my everyday life and you need some daily cleaning motivation, go give me a follow there. I love connecting and chatting with you.
Just like a spark that's breaking.
Moving on to the stove top, and for scrubbing that I'm using Dr. Beckman Stove Top Cream Cleaner, and after that I will clean the counters with antibacterial wipes.
No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up.
Now I will scrub the sink, and for that I'm using ARF Scrub Cream Cleaner in Lemon Scent. I seriously love this product so much, it always makes my sink looking like brand new.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt. 'Cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really It doesn't really matter.
The last thing I'm going to do is empty and change the bags in the trash can, and I will also wipe it down with antibacterial wipes as well.
Feel so free now. Sometimes I wonder, will we be around to see forever on the silver cloud? Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you.
That is it for today's video. I hope it motivated you. I did as much as I could in this half hour and I finished with 2 minutes to spare, but my head was still hurting, so I didn't want to overdo it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope I will see you in my Saturday spring cleaning video, and it's going to be a long one. I hope everyone stays safe and healthy in those crazy times. Bye!
It doesn't really matter.